Hello everyone, myself Amit Kumar Mane, founder Global Pharma Group. So here I am going to discuss or announce our new batch for the pharma wholesale business management. So this workshop is completely for all the people who wish to start their wholesale business or who wish to grow their wholesale business. Wholesale business is one of the best business in the pharmaceutical industry. Here you can take the different company, MNC company distributorship, and you know that the companies are running and automatically their stock are flowing. So it is a really good business. You can earn here lots of money also, but before that you must need to know how this business will run, okay? Because even though there are opportunity, there are challenges as well. This workshop is ideal for all the people who wish to start and grow their pharma wholesale business. Let's get started. Here I wish to tell you when this batch will start, what are the syllabus, benefits, and how to enroll. Let's begin. So this workshop will start from the 30 March 2026. The timing will be 7 p.m. to 9 p.m. So this is 9-day workshop and it is online based. Then the next one, the syllabus behind this. So first topic is completely on the basics of the pharma wholesale business and challenges and opportunity. Second one is all about the types of the wholesale business and their requirements. Then the next one is all about the documentation and approval process, about the licensing. Next model is all about the company and brand selection, which companies you can take at the initial, which brands you can take and how you can purchase. Then next one, company that profit analysis and expiry management. Okay, so management part we can cover here. Then the next one, customer relationship management, like you are connected with the retailer to get the order, even hospital. So how you can reach out, how you get the order, everything I am sharing with you in this model. Then the next one, sales territory management and software analysis. It means how you can start in the small area and how you are expanding. Okay, and even software analysis is again very important, which software you can use. And the next one, inventory and cash flow management, how much investment you needed for this business and step by step how you can invest. I am telling you each and everything related to the investment here. And the last one, future opportunities. After wholesale, successful wholesale, how you can grow yourself in this business or further business which are related to the pharmaceutical industry. So that's it all about the syllabus. Now we are talking about the benefits. The first benefit, you will get all information from the basic about the pharma wholesale business. Next one, you will get the certification of participation also. Next one, if you miss any session, you will get the recording also. Even the session is live, but the recording also we can provide. The next one, even PPT study material also we are providing. Next one, the first order medicine list, means whenever you start the business, all the medicine whichever required to start this business, I will provide you, okay, which will help you at the beginning. The next one is the free consultation up for 30 minutes after this course, okay, which was generally paid, but we are making free of cost to all students. Now we will discuss about how to enroll, what are the fees. So fees for this course is 2,100. How to enroll? It is very simple. In description I provide the resume link, just click over there, or you can pay online to this number 9423272876. Once you paid, just share your name, email, qualification, location to this number. Then you will get an email confirmation and we will add it in the class group. Okay, this is the simple procedure. But to know more, you just fill the Google form given in the description or call to this number or visit our website. That's it. Now we are talking about the frequently asked questions. So first question, is this workshop is helpful for me to start? Yes, this workshop will completely based on practical basis how you can start it. So this workshop is enough. Next one, if I miss any session, can I get recording? Yes, you will get the recording. Next, if I need any further assistance, can you help me? Yes, we are helping you also. Means if any information related to the general information, if you needed any queries you have during the operation of this business, we will help you there. Next one, in which language we will get this course? So Hindi, English and Marathi, 3 languages. Okay, and if you want to know more, just fill the Google form or call to the given number or visit our website. Okay, that's it from this workshop announcement. So this workshop is ideally for all the people who wish to start pharma wholesale. There is no eligibility criteria, but yes, this is one of the best business. There is a huge opportunities, but again challenges are also there, as I say are in the video. So you need to understand the market, how you can properly start, make the proper SOPs, and then you can expand your business. So each and everything you will got learning from this workshop. So don't wait, you can join our workshop if you want to start your wholesale journey. Thanks for watching this video. Our intention for this workshop that you can start your wholesale business, okay, and that is why it is more practical based workshop which help you to understand all and every insights of the wholesale. Okay, so thanks for watching this video. I wish you all the best. Let's see in the workshop. Thank you.